Hello friends, welcome to Computer Science Tutorial channel. My name is Dr. Chandrakant Sharma. Today I will explain you how to generate Sine APK in React Native. Now we have to start Visual Studio Code IDE. So this is our demo project. Open the app.js file. This is our basic structure of React Native app program. Inside the view, we have to display a welcome message like welcome to Computer Science Tutorial. For this, we have to type or use text component. Inside the text component, I display a message like Computer Science. And into the next line, we have to display tutorial. For this, I again use the text component, and inside the text component, we have to write tutorial. So it is our simple program. After this, we have to save our program, file menu and save. After this, we have to test our program. Click on terminal, then new terminal. Once again click on terminal, then split terminal. Inside the terminal window, launch the emulator by typing following command: emulator space -avd space emulator name my avd and press the enter key. Now we have to run our app. To run React Native app, we have to type the following command: react-native space run-android and press the enter key. It is the output of our app. Now I want to display this message: horizontal and vertically centered. For this, we have to write some code inside the view component. Style equal to, inside the double curly bracket, we have to set the flex colon 1 comma align item colon, inside the single quote we have to type center comma justify content. Inside the single quote, we have to set the value center. After this, we have to increase the font size of Computer Science Tutorial message. For this, we have to use the style attribute with text component style equal to, inside the double curly bracket, we have to set the text size, font size colon 40. Similar, inside the second text component, we have to set the style attribute style equal to, inside the double curly bracket, we have to set the font size colon 25. After this, we have to save our file and run our app once again. React Native run Android. So this is our proper output. Now I will explain you how to generate Sine APK in React Native. In step 1, we have to generate signed release key file. This release key file will be generated with the help of key tool utility. For this, we have to type the following command. You can copy this command from the video description section. After this, we have to type generate key attribute. After this, we have to set key store attribute, and after key store attribute, we have to specify our file name. When this command successfully run, it will generate demo.keystore file in our project. To generate this file, we are using RSA algorithm and the key size is 2048 byte. The validity of this keystore file is 10,000 days. After typing this command, press the enter key. Kindly ensure that your system must be connected with the internet. When you run this command, it will ask some information like password, your organization name, your city, state and country. Here we have to enter keystore password. My password is demo *123#. Remember that the password length is minimum 6 character. Press the enter key. Re-enter new password demo *123#. Press the enter key. What is your first name and last name? After this, enter your organization unit name, computer science tutorial. What is the name of your organization? I once again enter computer science tutorial and press the enter key. What is the name of your city? My city name is Kota. What is the name of your state? Enter your state and press the enter key. What is the 2-letter country code for this unit? My country name is India, therefore I enter IN and press the enter key. To confirm this information, press Y and press the enter key. Once again, press the enter key. When this command successfully run, it will generate demo.keystore file in our project. After this, we have to copy this file and paste it into the Android then app folder. So this is our step 1. In step 2, we have to create some Gradle variables. For this, open the Android folder, then search gradle.properties file. Open this file and create the following variables. In step 3, we have to add some signing related information into the build.gradle file. This file is stored into the Android then app. Here you can find out build.gradle. Open this file, scroll the code and after the default config section, type the following code. You can find this code into the video link section. After this, we have to add one more line into the build type section. Type the following code. After this step, save the file and close it. Into the fourth step, we have to generate our signed APK by using Gradle W command. For this, we have to change our directory cd Android and press the enter key. Here we have to type the following command Gradle W space assemble release and press the enter key. Kindly ensure that your system must be connected with internet. Now you can see that our APK has been successfully generated. This process can take 5 to 7 minutes and depend on your system configuration. You can find out your signed APK file into the Android folder, then app, then build folder, then output, then APK, then release. Here is your signed APK file. You can upload this file on Google Play Store. So in this tutorial, we have learned how to generate signed APK in React Native. If you have any kind of doubt in this video, you can share it into the comment section. Thank you for watching Computer Science tutorial.